Hey YouTube, Toddy Rock here. Today I'm going to be doing some vinyl flooring, so I'm going to bring you along. Maybe you could get some ideas to do your kitchen or something. I don't know. But show you what I do. Day 2. There's my vinyl. So you're probably thinking, Todd, how the heck are you going to get this 400 or 500 pound roll of vinyl into the house? Like 70 some feet. So what I do, I have a tool I use. It's called a calculator. You're probably thinking, what is some kind of physics major? You calculate how fast you got to back up to the house, slam on the brakes, and it projects in right into the dining room? Nope, I just calculate how much money I'm making today by getting this damn thing done, and it gives me Superman powers. So, gonna get it in the house. Let's see. Yes, I did cheat, and I used my little roller to get it in here. It's a good thing I have enough room side to side here. I can roll it, make all my cuts. If I lift the damn thing, oh my God. There we go. Alright, let it warm up a minute. Got some pieces cut. Lay them out. So I got the vinyl all laid out. It's looking good. I got a laundry room yet. Got the foyer laid out. Now I just have to cut the seam edge. Make sure it's lined up good. It's looking good. I overlap it. And I just straight edge through both. Now I have to fold it back so I can glue it down. Beautiful. There it is. Everything is cut in. Laundry room. Everything's cut in and glued down. Got the foyer all done. All I have to do is I have to caulk the doorways, and I have to seal the seam. Yep, I'm all finished. And anyway, the sticks. Just telling people don't step in my seam sealer. That's why I put sticks next to it. But another day, another dollar. I'm all finished. Going home. And guess what? Mommy's making pizzas. Little frozen pizzas, huh, baby? Honey.
Come on.
Love you, baby. Give me a kiss. Mm-hmm. What did you and the boy do today?
Pretty much play all day.
You played today? You didn't wear any? Did you burn the duck pants?
No.
Come on.
I love them duck pants.
For real?
Yes.
Duck pants?
They're my favorite pants, and I love them.
Don't you have any rock star pants?
No.
We're gonna have to do something about that. 4 little pizzas for supper. So what's my son doing? Let's see. Let's see what my kid is doing. Let's see what he has on, first of all. Hey, buddy. Kid, what are you doing? He has on a little outfit that says, Mommy loves me and Daddy loves me. That's, yeah. I'll let her slide, I guess. As long as you ain't wearing the duck pants. You making fist? You making fist? Yeah, buddy. Alright. Bye-bye. Duck pants.